guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am filming one of my last gift guides. However, I have got a smaller stocking filler gift guide coming up and then also a last minute gift guide coming up. But today I wanted to share some men's gift ideas. I will say that this is largely beauty related just because that's typically what I cover on here anyway. But I have got a few other things. I'm also going to link down below my other videos. So for example, my women's gift guide, my women's beauty gift guide, especially the women's gift guide. I think you could definitely take some of those ideas and give them to a man. For example, pajamas, great gift for anyone. Slippers, great gift. What I think I'm going to buy my boyfriend is a dressing gown, but I don't have that yet, so I haven't put that in here. We were watching something yesterday. I think we were watching like Outnumbered or something, and so there was someone wearing a dressing gown and I was like, oh, you don't have a dressing gown, would you like one? And he was like, nah, that might change. I then was like, oh, I was going to buy one for Christmas, and he was like, yeah, maybe I'd like one. So I don't know, I have to have a little bit of think about that. But I think once he had a dressing gown, he'll love it, but at the moment he's just not used to having one. Before I get started though, I will just remind you that I've got all my links down below, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. But let's get started with the gift guide. So the first thing I'm going to start with is a really affordable set from Primark, and they do really great gift sets. In particular, I liked this little men's gift set because it's just £8. So if you are doing a Secret Santa with anyone, I assume most places aren't doing a Secret Santa this year because most people aren't in the office, but if you are and you are looking for something, then I think this is a great little kit. It's from Men's Health. It's £8. It comes with this little black flannel. It also smells really nice, by the way. Wrapped inside of the black flannel, there is an invigorating face moisturizer and then also a little shaving cream. So you kind of get like 2 products and a flannel for £8, which I think is quite a good deal. So next I have this set from Benny Hancock for men, and it's quite a large set, and inside you get 7 products. It looks like this. I really do quite like this set actually, and it looks like a really substantial gift. This is a little bit on the makeup side, so it is obviously for a man that does like wearing kind of like light makeup. So inside you get a corrector pen, a lip balm, moisturizing face perfector, a bronzer, a buffing brush, a beard definer and a brow definer. Now the beard and brow definer come in different colors. So for example, I have, what color is this? Dark brown in both, and then also the corrective pen comes in different colors. This is in shade 2, but lots of different colors. Guys, this bronzer looks pretty nice. I mean, there's nothing to stop a woman using this, of course not. I think this is slightly different to the other gift sets I have, because typically when I think when you see beauty gift sets for men, it's usually like fragrances or skincare. So I do like that this goes a little bit further than that. It is a little bit on the pricey side because obviously you're getting so many products. I do think it's a great option if you're looking for something like this. Then we have this little set from Temple Spa. I just think that this is a really lovely bag, and that's why I picked this. And equally, it's got some great products inside. So inside you get a Good Hair Day shampoo, a conditioner, a shower gel, and then also a calming skin balm. These are all 50 ml, so they're actually a decent size. And then on the other side, a cleansing gel wash, a hand cream, a foot and limb cream, and then also a shave gel. Again, all 50 ml, really great sizing. Really love this packaging, and I think this is a really lovely bag as well. Then from a brand called Echoing, I actually really like this brand. I think it's like a Scandi brand or something like that. They do really beautiful products. There's this little set which is their Echoing, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I think so, starter kit. And inside you get some wet wipes, which honestly I'm not wild about wet wipes, but they are in here. You get this really cute little face cream. I love the packaging on this. A 2-in-1 hair and body wash. Really cute little cleansing gel. I want to smell this. I love the packaging on this. And then you also get a body and beard oil. All the products are a decent size. Nothing's too small. Kind of feel like I'm not expecting it to smell nice, but let's see. Oh yeah, that does smell nice. And I just think that's a really lovely set, especially for someone that's quite into like branding. I think this is a really, really beautiful little set. A skincare brand I really love, especially at Christmas, is Lizelle, and they also do men's gift sets, which is great. This one looks like this from the outside, really, really pretty. And then inside you get full-size face and body wash, a shaving cream, and I used to use the shaving cream on my legs when I had very, very, very sensitive legs, and I loved this. 100% I would repurchase this if I had another rash on my legs. I just thought it was fab. Then there's also a after shaving moisturizer, and then finally in this little package there is a really great looking shaving brush actually, and I really love the packaging and the really sweet tissue paper. If you're looking for stocking fillers, then I think deodorants and hair products are great for men, especially because I feel like even if they're not overly keen on skincare, most men wear deodorant, I hope. And a lot of men do use hair products, and actually my boyfriend never used hair products ever. I've been with him for a long time and he's only started wearing hair products maybe in the last, I'm gonna say 2 months, so it's been quite interesting discovering new products with him. But a great brand is Schwarzkopf Got To Be. They do loads of different products. I really like this package. I like the silver with the black, and really I just think that man has great hair, and I would love my boyfriend to have a beard like that. He 100% does not, unfortunately. This is the Phenomenal range. This is a finishing spray, a sprayable clay constructor, which is like a matte texturizing spray. It has quite a lot of hold. There is a lightweight styling gel, and then also a molding paste. These are quite affordable as well, and I think a lot of men would use, if not all of these products, at least a few. Great, affordable, usable, and nice looking stocking fillers as well. A stocking filler I talk about every year just because I think it's practical, it's a little bit funny, and really affordable is Poopery, which is a before you go spray, which you use on the toilet bowl, or actually I think you can probably use it in the sink as well, just to leave the bathroom smelling fresh. They always do a little Christmas one, a fun and funny Secret Santa gift as well, and the Christmas one is actually in the scent Secret Santa, which is cute. Something I mentioned in my women's video is if you are buying chocolate, I would definitely recommend you take a little look at Shelter, the charity. They do chocolate. These are £5. Honestly, I recently had, let me try to find the box. I recently ate the Sicilian hazelnut and almond milk chocolate. Honestly, this was some of the best chocolate I've had in a really long time. Thoroughly enjoyed this. I'm going to repurchase this. It was great. But they do lots of different types. They do extra dark. They do milk chocolate. There's also white chocolate. There's a whole variety of chocolates. £5. Money goes towards a charity. I would definitely consider these. And they say emergency chocolate on them. So I think the packaging is quite cute. Again, great for a stocking filler or for Secret Santa gift. A brand I use every single day is Corksicle. I have a Corksicle bottle. It goes everywhere with me. I absolutely love it, and Corksicle bottles are great, but I also really like their tumblers, which are great for coffee or even cold drinks. They're quite affordable, but they're not super cheap because obviously you're getting a great product. I think sometimes you can get similar things to this for really cheap on Amazon, but they're, from my experience, not quite as great as the Corksicle ones. I really like them. They come in different colours. I also like that the top isn't rubber. I hate those like cups that have a plasticky top. This is actually, this is plastic, but I don't like the rubber ones. At least I think it's plastic. It could be metal. Pretty sure this is plastic, but I just hate the rubber ones. They're horrible. A great for a stocking filler, but equally great for a normal main gift. Something I actually got from my boyfriend and I think is really, really cute are some cases from Caseify. Now I was kindly gifted two, one for me, one for him. They came in this really lovely packaging, and if you are looking for a gift for a couple, I think this is a really nice gift. I actually have a really old phone, so mine is for like the iPhone 8 or something like that. Look, like they've really upped their packaging from the last time I ordered from them. I just think it's really, really lovely. I got him this really cute red one. It's got his initials on the bottom, and I just think it's really sweet. You can really personalize it quite a lot. You can choose the font. You can choose if you want the writing at the bottom or in the middle or on the side. You can choose the color of the case, and you can choose what the case actually says as well. They even do like other varieties of cases that are a bit different to these. And then for myself, which is obviously not quite as manly, I have this pink one, but you know, you can get just a whole variety of phone cases. They do them for iPhones, which is what we've got, but they also do them for Samsungs, and I just really like them. They come in just really lovely packaging, and I think this is a gift that he'll definitely use and really like. Next I have a gift which, if I'm honest, my boyfriend would absolutely hate, but I'm sure there are men out there that would really, really like this, and I think it's a great one if you're looking for something to do with your boyfriend over the Christmas period. This is a puzzle. I love a puzzle. This one is from Typo. It's an 1,000-piece puzzle, and it's a burger. I kind of felt like it was something that maybe guys would like. Out of all the puzzles, I feel like my boyfriend would pick this one because it's a burger. Actually, it's a burger with money, then a pen, then a CD. This is a relatively affordable one. It's available on ASOS. Yeah, I just think this one's really, really cute, and again, it's something you can do together. I do quite enjoy a puzzle. I do not do it with my boyfriend because he hates puzzles, but if you have a boyfriend that doesn't hate puzzles, then I think that's great. Funny because he loves games, and I've got a game to show you, but he hates puzzles. And then actually my boyfriend's favourite present last year was a mug which one of our family friends got him, and it was a mug, and it was a quote from No Context Hearn, I think that's his name, and it was just a very him thing at the time. He just used to say it all the time, and I just think he thought it was quite a funny, and it just proved that they knew him very well. So actually I think mugs work quite well for guys. I do think sometimes men get given a lot of mugs, and actually I feel like maybe it's because Mike's a teacher, but he gets given a mug every single year. But I saw this one and I thought it was quite cute. It's just a big orange one. It's also from Typo, so definitely check out Typo if you are looking for men's gifts. I think they've got some great ones. And this one just says, wish you a beer. If someone you're buying for drinks beer and hot drinks, then I think this is a great gift. Something which I think everyone will agree is a great Christmas gift is fragrance. My suggestion is this one, which is the Mont Blanc Legend fragrance. It looks like this. They obviously have it by itself, but I think this little gift set is very cute, and I just love a Christmas fragrance gift set. It has a little shower gel, and then the bottle itself looks like this. I actually think my boyfriend's got this fragrance, and let me tell you that I am bad at describing fragrances full stop, and men's fragrances I can just even worse. It smells like a man. That's all I can say about this. I do really like it, and I just think it's a great fragrance. Finally, something that we give my boyfriend a lot is games. He just gets so many games. Like, we love games. It's just our favorite thing. We play games, just the two of us. We play games with our family, with our friends, all the time basically. And if you are interested, we can film a video maybe with our top 10 games, if that's something you'd be interested in for the Christmas period. But I picked up this one just simply because it's a new one. We haven't even played it, but it looks like such good fun. If we haven't played a game, I'm not typically allowed to go too far into it, because then I read the cards and it kind of spoils it. But I picked this one and it's called Muffin Time. There are so many great games out there. Personally, I'm looking to get a Mexican Dominoes because I've heard it's great, and I think it's one that we could play with anyone in our family, which is great. But this one is a 13+ game. It's for 2 to 6 people. It's from Big Potato Games, which I just think do the best games. Basically, it's like little challenges. I'll read you the back actually. It says, get ready for some very unpredictable cards about muffins. Unleash runway trains, exploding turtles and homicidal potatoes to crush your friends, steal their cards and win the game in style. So I think the idea is there's like different cards and they tell you what to do, and you have to do that in order to get as many cards as possible or get rid of as many cards, something like that. But for example, standing up score, the last player to stand up discards 3 cards. Stop another player from stealing your cards. If another player sings out loud, steal 3 of their cards. So it's quite a fun game. Sometimes, especially around Christmas, I look for games that aren't too knowledge based, because we love a quiz, but not everyone does love a quiz, especially if you're playing with people that are different ages. I think it's really important to have games that like everyone can play and be good at, and I think this is one of those games, which is great. But that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a short one this year, at least I think it was. Who knows, I never know whilst I'm filming, so I bet I'll export this and it'll be half an hour. But I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some ideas. Do let me know if you'd like to see a video all about our favourite games. I don't know if we'd be able to agree and narrow it down to 10, but I think so, and I hope so. But thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.